Now, usually every Memorial Day it rains. You think it's going to rain this weekend?
The fuck do I know, right? What a man.
Well, you watch the news all the time.
So?
What's the forecast?
I can tell you better when my legs hurt when it's going to rain.
You just told me they hurt you now.
Huh? They hurt, yeah.
So it's going to rain?
But when I know it's going to rain, they hurt worse.
You going to have a drink at the barbecue?
What kind of drink?
Whatever kind you want.
I don't drink.
I
take too many fucking pills.
I like tequila. You want tequila?
No.
It's so smooth.
No. Can't drink.
No?
I can't drink. And don't ever sneak a drink on me because I take too many medicines and needles.
Why you got to point with your remote?
Huh?
What are you pointing with your remote for?
In case I have to hit you. Hit your fucking head.
You haven't hit me in a long time.
I know.
What are you doing with your hair?
I said it.
Mm-hmm. You going to hairdressers?
No.
No? I thought you go every week.
Can't go every week. You make your mother spend that kind of money. Or you, or your sister.
Well, you should go and get it done. It's once a week. You look like a poodle. You like to look like a poodle?
Huh?
You like to look like a poodle?
Yeah, I like to look like a tiger.
A tiger's not a poodle. Why are you looking at Tommy for? What's he doing? And your nails look good today. They redid them?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yesterday for nothing.